Hello and welcome, gentlemen. My name is Narendra. I'm going to discuss about how to remove the image background. Removing an image background is quite easy and you can do it in just one click. But that works only for the simple images, like for the profile and for the other things. But what happens when you want to remove the image background from the image like this? So this is a very complex image, has a lot of details into the background, and the intensity of the background and the foreground actually matches. So sometimes finding the great results in this kind of image is quite challenging. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to right click and explore the plugins that we can use. I will click the manage plugin, and the first plugin I'm going to talk about is Magic Cut. So when you click on it, it will open this image into a separate UI, and here you can just control that what section you want to remove and what you want to keep. Now you can see the image being cut here is not perfect, but I can control it from the by selecting this green or red. Green means keep the image, like you can see I'm just putting it here and it will keep. And when I click on the red and start painting outside, this will start removing the background. So I loosely need to just paint red outside the border of this, and you will see it will start clipping the image. And and this is not very perfect. You can see some section they have removed it, and we are going to just fix that as well. So let's focus on to the painting the area that around the edges. And this should not be too much difficult because you do not need to be very perfect in terms of this. Just try to be precise wherever possible, but don't go mad for it. And you can see this is not a very difficult task. You can also zoom in and here. And now you can see the problem is that from the right side, the more part of image being deleted, but we will fix it later. Let's continue with removing the background first. Now let's go to the left side and we will continue the same process. When I press the button and I can increase the size of the brush, similar like in the Photoshop. So this is the power of AI. I guess they are using AI to just determine that which area to be removed and which area to be kept on. And it just says that if you want to erase, you can erase with the gray. So I can simply erase the area. Okay. Now this section is still pending. I can simply click on the red, need to continuously remove, and some section in the bottom. Oops. Let's go back. Okay. Now, this is absolutely not perfect, and this is not the result we wanted to get. To fix this, I'm going to select this green button, a green color, and we'll start painting inside the element that I want to keep. And you can see the moment I started painting inside, this has automatically determined that what area I want to keep, and this will start building it up. And now you see the problem is that I have painted this edges with the red color, and this is the reason it is not working well on the right side. So I need to remove this red color from here, and I will use the gray for that. Simply I will click on it, remove it, And then I'll select the green in order to expand my painting areas. So simply let's fix this one and we are good. Let me remove this area as well. And you can see things can get a little trickier here, but never mind. We will figure it out later. Let's balance it out by painting the green and boom, we are good. You can see wherever I have painted the green in this area, this calculates the object and the captures the right shape of it. Let's just make sure that where we are, and this is from the left side. I think I want to keep some more areas, and on the right side. Okay, now let's fix the top area. I think we are good with the right one. If I'm correct, yes, this area is still not cropped very precisely, so I can actually select this red and I need to press the green and remove it. And then I can press the red. Let's press the red. Similarly, I will paint it here, and you can see that's the way we can actually fix the edges where it is not working perfectly. Now on the right side, on the top side, we still have some section to crop. Okay, if you want to pan this image, simply click on the hand and you can move it. Then I will just paint the red outside the area where I just don't want to keep anything. And these edges we will go to fix by painting green nearby it. I know this is not very, it may not sound very quick process, but this is only specific to the images that are complicated and have a very busy background. In that case, in that case, going to the Photoshop and removing the image background may take more time than what we are doing here. So is still a convenient way of removing background from the complex images. All right, let me just put it some here and some more details here. And I think we are good with this. And you can see if you zoom in here, you can see you have got really good results. And you can fix some edges distortion by simply zooming in and fixing this area. So I will first you can see this right color pending I need to remove so that this become a neutral area, and you can see this is now we have already fixed it. All right, so just painting the strokes outside, defining the areas, and it will segregate, and it will clear out the background, a very complex background by itself. This is the power of AI. And when you are satisfied with it, just click OK, and then it will put the image, same image to the your Figma, and then you can use it. And this is a transparent image. You can simply see, but you can add any background color. You can use any color you can see, and you can use it. All right. So I hope this video has helped you. Then let me know, and I'll see you into the another tutorial. Till the time, thank you very much and goodbye.